Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja School online classes. Class 3rd standard, subject EBS, topic Earth riches, air, water, weather. Dear children, already you know that our earth is surrounded by air and also water. Today we are going to learn earth, water, weather. Yes. Saad has just finished collecting all the materials he needed for his project on the solar system. Photographs and pictures included, leaving everything on the floor. He went out to play badminton. He has practicing for the zonal badminton tournament to be held next month. He had ensured that the windows of his room were tightly shut before leaving. Saad is collecting all the materials he needed for project. Okay, Saad is finished collecting all the materials he needed for his project on the solar system. You want to do the solar system project, no? So he was collected all the materials needed for that project. And also photographs and pictures included. All these materials he leaving everything on the floor. He went out to play badminton. Okay. He was practicing for the zonal badminton tournament also. You want to participate the exhibition also project for solar system, and also you want to practicing for the zonal badminton tournament, so to held next month. He had ensured that windows of his room were tightly shut before leaving. Amina came to room for Amina came into room sweating. Switched the fan on full blast and jumped onto the bed. She soon got lost in the storybook she had picked up. Saad came little later. Amina came to room sweating, switched the fan on full blast and also jumped onto the bed. So soon she lost in the storybook she had picked up. Already she is involving to read the storybooks. Suddenly when she came to the room. That time she was very sweating. She feel very hot. So she switched on the fan on full blast, full speed. She kept the fan and jumped onto the bed, and she soon got lost in the storybook. She was reading storybooks with me very interestingly. Saad came in a little later and was horrified to see all his project materials scattered around the room. Amina was happily reading her book. Yes, Saad suddenly he was horrified to see all his project materials scattered around the room. Amina was reading happily her book. So he angrily switched off the fan and began collecting the stuff from her floor. Amina looked up from her book, and before she could shout at Saad for switch off the fan, she saw him on his knees on the floor. Amina, she was Saad came and angrily switched off the fan, and he began to collecting the stuff. Already he was collecting the solar system project, no? So he was photographs and pictures included, everything he left on the floor. So when Amina came and switched on the fan, no? That time all these papers are spreading along the ground. So this stuff angrily switched off the fan. Saad came and switched off the fan and collecting the stuff from the room. Amina looked from Afra book, and before she could shout at Saad for switching off the fan, she saw him on his knees on the floor. Why did Amina switch off on the fan, children? Yes, she was feeling hot. Yes, she was feeling hot. So she want more air, means that time she was going to switch on the fan. There you write hot. How she was feeling? Amina was feeling hot. So you should write there hot. What happened when Amina switched on the fan? Yes, she made the air move. She want to air. She made the air move. There was air in the room. Could she and saw see the air present in the room? Yes. They cannot see the, no, they cannot see the air present in the room. Can we see the air, children? No, it is not possible to see the air. Air is present everywhere, but we cannot see the air. Air is colorless and tasteless, and we cannot see it. Yes, when we feel hot, no, that time we are going to switch on the fan. Yes, only we can feel the air. Air is colorless. We cannot see the air. Just we can feel the air. And also we can smell the air. Okay. If it is bad smell coming is there, means suddenly we are going to cover our mouth. No. So we can feel the air. Okay. When the fan was switched on and the air moved, could anyone see the moving air? Anyone see the moving air? No, we cannot see the moving air. We cannot see air, but we can feel it when it moves. We can also see the effects on moving air. Moving air is called wind. Just you write wind. Moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. There is an activity in your textbook. Observe, children, in your textbook you have to tick it. Tick the things that wind helps in doing. Here some pictures are there. Here is hot air balloon. First picture is hot air balloon. Hot air balloon moves using the air. So you have to tick it. To put the tie, no air. So and also doing ironing, no need of air. And also parachute. Here is one man is flying above the sky. Parachute is flying, needed to fly the parachute. Air is very important, no, that time. Yes, you have to tick it for parachute. And also here is also one glider is there. Glider also needed to fly air. There also you have to tick it. Next here is one boat is sailing. For that one also tick it. Boat is sailing, no, that one also tick it. Boat is to sail the boat. Air is needed to sail the boat. Eating banana, yes, no need to tick it. Here some boys are playing cricket. To hit the ball, air is needed to move the ball also, to hit the ball also. And also some children are playing badminton. So that one also tick it. To play the games, air is needed to move the cock also. Yes, air is needed to fly the kites, parachute gliding and move the windmill. Windmill moves also with the help of air. And also you know that children, all living things need to air to breathe. The duster is an important piece of equipment at home. Why? Ask mummy and write down or replay here. Yes, the duster is very important piece of equipment. This is that duster. Duster means your mummy using broomstick, no? Like that they are using duster to clean the house, to mop the house. We are using, no, that is called dusters. Here you have to write, it cleans the dust spread in the house. It makes the room sprinkling and bright. The duster helps us to clean the house. Okay. Here when we keep the room clean, that time our room looks very neat and tidy and brightful. Ujjwal opened the drawer where he had kept his cricket equipment 2 months ago. July and August are months when it rains a hot. So he and his friends resumed playing cricket in the month of September. He is surprised to see a thick layer of dust on his pads and in the drawer. It had been tightly shut for 2 months. Then from where did this dust come? Yes, air contains dust. Here you write air contains dust. So the Ujjwal is keeping his gloves inside the cricket gloves inside the drawer. But after 2 months, he is surprised to see a thick layer of dust on his pads in the drawer also. So air contains dust. When air is moving now, that time air contains dust. It is also becomes dirty. Air is a mixture of gases. Dad has influenza. Why is mummy keeping Saad and Amina away from dad these days? Yes, influenza means dad has cold and fever. So, mummy keeping away from the dad. My daddy had an aching head and looked so ill that mother said, don't make a noise because dad is in bed with influenza. Not only dad is sleeping, but dad bed with influenza. Influenza means dad not feeling well. He had cold and fever. So don't make the noise. Mother informed to Saad and Amina. Okay. I crept up like a mouse would creep in case dear daddy was sleeping, and round the corner I tried to peep to look at influenza. So Saad is very interesting to know who is influenza, but you don't know influenza means it is fever. Okay, he crept up like a mouse. Slowly went and creep means he went ಬಗ್ಗಿ ನೋಡೋದು ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಮೆತ್ತಗೆ ಬಗ್ಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಐ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಪೀಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಪೀಪ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ to look at influenza. You want to see influenza. Okay, I only saw dear daddy's head upon the pillow on the bed. What you saw? Yes, Saad saw only daddy's head upon the pillow on the bed. He was alone. Yet mother said he was with influenza. Why mother said he was with influenza? Yes, yeah, influenza means his daddy is getting fever and cold, that is influenza. Yes, air contains dash. Here you write germs. Okay children, air contains germs. Air contains a lot of tiny living organisms called germs. Okay, so that is influenza. Cover your nose and mouth tightly with a clean handkerchief. How do you feel? Why? Yes, we feel. Why is bestie cough uncomfortable? Yes, here observe in this picture. Their packed is cough mouth. So it is uncomfortable because it is not breathing well, no. So that is she cannot breathe. Because she cannot breathe, the waistcloth on blacking her nose. The waistcloth is blacking her nose. Why means they are blocking their cough nose. Cover a leaf with cling wrap. In the evening, the leaf will be dull. Why? We block this breathing system called stomata. Living things also need air to breathe. Living things also need air to breathe. Air contains many gases of oxygen and carbon dioxide. We breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. So balance of important gases is maintained in the atmosphere. Here you can see all living things need air to breathe. Without air we cannot live. So all the living things like human beings, plants and animals, birds, all the living things need air to breathe. Here an activity, see children, one plant is there, every day we have to pour the water it daily. The plant after few days, if you are cover the plant means after few days the plant is died, it did not get air to breathe, sufficient air to breathe. Who are the people who wear this mask? Why? Here is the first mask is base, doctor base, and second one is bike rider, third one is mine workers, and here is traffic policeman. Like this they are wearing masks. The air is the air is free and plentiful, but if it disappeared, the earth would become a dead place. If it is no air means the earth will become dead air. To protect themselves from air pollution, germs and harmful gases, traffic man wears these masks. Yes, plants are needed. Plants prepare their food using sunlight, water and air. They will prepare the food and the oxygen it will plants release, and what we are leaving out carbon dioxide, that carbon dioxide plants will take inside and they will leave oxygen for human beings and for all the living things. We need oxygen no to live. Yes, plants produce oxygen while making food. Yes, balance of important gases in maintained in atmosphere. So we are breathing out oxygen. Plants will take breathing inside oxygen and breathing out carbon dioxide. What we are breathing out carbon dioxide plants will take, and what we are breathing oxygen, we needed oxygen no, that one plants will release the oxygen. Both balance of important gases is maintained in the atmosphere. We all know that 75% of earth water. We all know that rain is our only natural source of fresh water. From where do we get rain? Yes, children, where do we get rain, children? Yes, you are correct. From the clouds. From the clouds we will get the rain. What are the clouds made up of? Yes, the clouds are made up of water vapor. Here you write water vapor. How are the clouds formed? Yes, let us see. So, when water evaporates from the seas and oceans, how does it will reach the sky? Yes, it evaporates during the daytime due to heat of the sun. Yes, our earth has consist of oxygen, water 78% of water and few of the oxygen. Yes, water evaporates during the daytime due to the heat of sun. Okay, rain is our only natural source of fresh water. And then water evaporates. After water evaporates, the water vapor is a gas. After evaporating, it will form into the clouds, and then clouds gives us rain. All the rain collects in the seas and oceans. After sun's heat, it will repeats, it will condense, and they condense in the clouds, and again we will get the rain. Weather affects in the way we live. Does an aeroplane take it up, or do parachutes, hot air balloons or birds carry water vapor up to the sky? Yes, you observe children, all these parachutes, aeroplanes and then kites and birds, they will carry the water vapor into the sky, water vapor up to the sky. No, they do not carry water vapor. Then how water vapor go inside the clouds? Yes, due to evaporation, it rises up to the sky. Water is the most common substance found on earth, and without it life would be impossible. Without water we cannot live. Water also important, and air is also very important for living things. The water vapor is in the air. We cannot see the water vapor, it will go up in the clouds. Again water heats up, and all the water bodies it will heats up. Water vapor due to evaporation during the daytime, due to heat of the sun, it will evaporate and then it will form into the clouds. Okay, Not only for that, clouds also, from clouds also it will evaporate the water vapor in the air. That is why when you remove a can of juice from the refrigerator and keep it outside, you see drops of water on the outside surface of the can. Since air is everywhere, when the hot air comes in contact with the cold can, it cools and condenses on the cold surface of the can. Yes, air contains water vapor. Apart from seas and oceans, which are massive water bodies covering the earth's surface, water is contained in the soil, in the atmosphere, and even in all living things. More than half our body consists of water. Yes, children, our atmosphere, sun's heat, our earth reflects the reflection of sun's heat. All the water bodies, from all the water bodies, water will absorb. Atmosphere protects the earth from the harmful rays of the earth. Here, from all the living things, water will absorb. Okay, and also more than half of our body consists of water. Here, weather and seasons. Already you know that seasons. Here you have to write spring seasons. Flowers are glowing, no, blooming, and here is the winter. Snow is falling, no, that is winter season. In autumn season, see children, in autumn season, all the leaves are fell down from the trees, and here is the rainy season. This is summer season, and here is the rainy season. Rainy season. Summer, winter and rainy season. When the same kind of weather continues for 2 to 3 months or at a time, that period is called as season. In India, normally April to June are summer months. In India, normally April to June are summer months. This is the time that most schools are closed for 6 weeks. Saad maintains a diary and writes that he has done such day during the summer week. There are few pages from Saad's diary. Here, April 26, 2014. Today we had a cricket match at 6 p.m. We had to cancel it as there was a huge dust storm and rain since 3:30 in the afternoon. The rain stopped by 6, but the ground was wet. So we cancelled the cricket match. 14th, here is the 14th May 2014. This morning when I woke up, a cool wind was blowing. The sun was not too bright. So all us friends took out our cycles and had great fun cycling in the Bal Udyan cycle tracks. When Mummy sent Balu Kaka to call us for breakfast, we realized it was 10:30 p.m. 10:30 already. We had not felt hot and tired at all. The time is very pleasant. So they are playing nicely, enjoying nicely. Seasons of India. Here weather prediction is very important in our daily life. We can see the weather forecast, our forecast also, next day's forecast also we can see, and week's forecast also we can see the here. This forecast help us to plot clear or better routes to sail the boats also. 16th May of 2014. Today I got up at 6 and as dad and me had planned to go for swimming to the Koyal river at 7. The sun normally comes up at 8, so dad and me would have had 1 hour of good swimming, but by the time it was 6:30, the sun was already up and it was hot in the garden. So we decided to postpone our swimming plan to another day. Yes, the day was summer, no, so it is very hot. They are planning to swim next day. 17th May. We had planned to go for a movie at 3:30 today. But by 2 p.m., the sky became cloudy and a gentle breeze began to blow. We did not want to waste such a beautiful afternoon being indoors. So we picked up our cycles and went to Bal Udyan. It was fun. The day was pleasant, so they are playing. Okay. Why were Saad and Dad friends changing their plans at the last minute? Yes, when we experience a similar kind of weather over 3 to 4 months, we call it a season. When we experience a similar kind of weather over 3 to 4 months, we call it a season. But weather is what we experience every day. Yes, even it was summer, there were some days that were cool and windy. There was a dust storm and rain one day, and it was more hot than usual one day. Weather affects our daily activities. What we do, what we eat, what we wear, etc. Weather is not constant. The sun, air, wind, and water vapor conditions determine the weather of the place. Here you can see the children. Here is the winter season. We can see the winter season. December, January, and February are the winter season. And we can see the flowers. Flowers are blooming. This is spring season. March is the spring season. And here we can see the summer. April, May, and June. These are the summer season. April, May, June are the summer season. And rainy season. July and August are the rainy season. Then autumn season, September and October are the autumn season. You can see, observe in this picture children, yellow leaves and orange leaves or brown leaves are fell down from the trees. No, that in that autumn season all the leaves fell down from the trees. Okay, this is autumn season. Think and answer. There will be less water vapor over Rajasthan than over a Kerala. Why? Kerala is on the sea coastal border of South India, whereas Rajasthan is far away from the sea and is desert area with scantily rainfall, very less rainfall in Rajasthan. But in Kerala, we can see the coastal border of South India. This is the Kerala, and here is you can find Rajasthan in the middle. Here, why weather forecast is necessary? From earliest days, men have observed the weather because of its effects on their. Yes, even today, advanced methods are being continuously developed to forecast weather. Farmers can plan sowing, harvesting their crops. Advanced methods to forecast weather. Farmers can plan. Here, weather prediction is very important. Farmers can plan the sowing and harvesting of their crops. And also ships and crafts can plot carrier or better routes. Ships and aircrafts. And it helps fishermen to know if it is safe to go out to see their boats. And also outdoor activities like constructions of buildings, laying of roads. See, plot carrier of better roads. And here helps to know the whether sea level is safe for fishing, and laying of roads, construction of buildings, building of bridges, etc. are planned and carried out when the weather is dry. Yes, weather affects every aspect of our lives, either directly or indirectly. For farmers, construction, building, and then flights, and then ship. Okay, so hurricanes, cyclones, and typhoons are all different names of severe storms. Okay, in the US, these are called hurricanes. In India, we call them cyclones, and in Japan, we call them typhoons. Here, sometimes we feel hot, cold, cloudy, and dry, windy, and humid. No, these are the seasons. Atmosphere have more dust and cloud. Now I know air is present everywhere. Yes, the layer of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. In atmosphere, air is everywhere. It is colorless, tasteless, and we cannot see the air. Air is mixture of gases including oxygen and carbon dioxide. Air contains water vapor and dust germs. And also, water is the most common substance found on earth, and without it, life would be impossible. Weather is not constant, it can even change within few hours. Weather is not constant, it can change few hours. The air above the sea rises and cool breeze from the land blows over the sea. This is called land breeze. The amount of water vapor in air determines the humidity of a place. I hope everybody understood this lesson, children. Everybody read this lesson once. Okay, thank you.